the portable brush that perfectly applies fluid and cream foundation and cushion foundation. For fluid and cream formulas, begin by dotting foundation onto 5 points. For cushion formulas, press the brush into the cushion mesh and twist it several times. Begin blending with soft tapping motions around the center of the face. Then start sweeping outwards, keeping the brush pressure light. Angle the brush to fit small, precise areas. Stroke up and down the facial outline for a flawless blend. Perfectly even. Beautifully polished. High performance, silky soft. Glides evenly over skin. When finished, buff onto a tissue. For a deeper clean, spray with brush conditioning cleanser first. Pull up the inner bristle guard to protect the brush, then put the lid back on. Clean and ready for the next time. For more how-tos and inspiration, subscribe to the official Clé de Peau Beauté YouTube channel.